taught the same lie. Be nice, be available, be generous, be emotionally open. And then they wonder why they're remembered for a week and replaced in a month. Because attraction is not built on comfort. It's built on impact. Machiavelli understood something most men never dare to face. People don't bond deeply with those who please them. They bond with those who shift their emotional reality. This video is not about chasing women, not about tricks, not about fake confidence. This is about psychological gravity. 9 dark psychological frameworks, not to make her like you, but to make you unforgettable. Watch carefully, because once you understand this, you'll never play the game like an average man again. Framework 1. Fear creates respect, respect creates desire. Most men misunderstand fear. They think it means aggression, control, loudness. That's weakness pretending to be strength. Real fear is silent. It's the fear of loss. Love that is always available becomes invisible. Affection without consequence loses value. But when a man has standards he will walk away for, something changes in her nervous system. He doesn't argue. He doesn't explain. He doesn't plead. He simply removes himself. And that absence teaches more than words ever could. Main point. Love without the fear of loss becomes lazy. Boundaries create emotional tension. Tension fuels obsession. She doesn't fear you. She fears losing access to you. That's when attraction stops being casual and starts becoming personal. Framework 2. Respect always comes before love. Machiavelli never rejected love. He warned against love without leverage. When a woman knows you'll stay no matter how you're treated, your value drops. But when she knows you won't tolerate disrespect, you become rare. The man she can't control is the man she can't stop thinking about. Main point. Love is emotional. Respect is structural. Without structure, emotion collapses. You don't demand respect. You demonstrate consequences. And that's when love stops being optional. Framework 3. Image is power, not intent. The world does not reward who you are inside. It responds to how you are perceived. You can be loyal, disciplined, intelligent. But if your posture, tone, and reactions signal insecurity, none of that matters. Attraction begins with energy, not logic. She doesn't ask, is he a good man? Her nervous system asks, how does he make me feel when nothing is happening? Main point, perception beats truth. Energy beats explanation. Stillness beats performance. Stop over-explaining. Stop oversharing. Show 80%. Let her imagination create the rest. Mystery multiplies desire. Framework 4. The lion and the fox. Every woman tests, not to hurt you, but to see if you break. She pulls back, changes tone, creates emotional friction. Most men panic and start talking. Machiavelli's answer was simple. Be both. The lion, strength, boundaries, presence. The fox, intelligence, restraint, timing. Main point. Only strength becomes explosive. Only intelligence becomes spineless. Balance creates unpredictability when she pushes emotionally. Observe. When she crosses a line, act. Calm, precise, final. That's authority. Framework 5. Divide the internal world. Never argue with her beliefs. Agreement creates comfort. Comfort kills attraction. Instead, introduce gentle contradiction. One calm sentence, no explanation, and then silence. Her mind does the rest. Main point, certainty closes emotion. Confusion opens influence. Tension keeps attention alive. You don't divide you and her. You divide certainty inside her. And curiosity keeps her circling. Framework 6. Reward slowly. Remove quickly. Most men do the opposite. They reward instantly. They punish emotionally. That creates chaos. The Machiavellian way is clean. Boundary crossed. One clean withdrawal, respect shown. Small controlled reward. No drama. No lectures. Main point. Pain delivered fast is remembered. Pleasure delivered slowly is craved. Predictability kills desire. You don't overwhelm her with affection. You make it earned. And that changes behavior without a word. Framework 7. Observe first. Speak once. A powerful man watches, not bodies, patterns, how her voice shifts, who she respects, when she performs. Then, when the moment opens, he says one line, neutral, accurate, unemotional, and stops. Main point. Observation beats attraction. Truth beats flattery. Silence amplifies impact. That line lives in her mind. Because you didn't seek approval. You exposed reality. Framework. 8. Control through absence. Availability kills mystique. Presence only has power when it can disappear. When you withdraw calmly, her mind fills the space. She replays, rewrites, questions. Main point. Absence creates imagination. Imagination fuels obsession. Return without emotion restores authority. You don't vanish to punish. You vanish when value is ignored. And when you return unfazed, you become gravity. Framework 9. Become the turning point. Women forget men. They don't forget moments that changed them. The man who challenged their self-image. The man who walked away calmly. The man who didn't need validation. Main point. Impact outlives attraction. Emotional memory shapes desire. The man who shifts her story lives forever in it. You're not the boyfriend, not the fling. You're the chapter she can't erase. Final words. Closing power. These are not tricks. They are structures. You're not trying to impress. You're building presence, not noise, not charm, precision. If something shifted in you while watching this, that's not motivation. That's recognition. You're done chasing, done performing, done begging for attention. You're building gravity now. If this message hit something real, comment control below. And if you're ready to go deeper, not into tactics, but into power, subscribe. Because what's coming next won't teach you how to win her. It will teach you how to never need to.